Hello guys, it's your girl Unique Nelo. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you 2 business ideas you can start up with low capital. Yes, you heard what I said. I might not really elaborate more on these businesses, but what you do for me is once you get idea of what you want, go and do more research on it and kick off. I know you've been busy thinking of the business you can start up with, be it a side hustle, be it a full-time business. See, just sit down, let us bring it down. Remember what I said, these videos, I might not really go in details on how to start it up, but what you do for me is once you pick the one you think is very good for you, next thing you should do is do more research on how to start it up, okay? The first on my list is headgear making. Headgear production, headgear selling. See, I have been hammering this on my channel. Why I put this as number 1 on my list is for those that have not come across my videos, headgear production is very lucrative. So I won't go in details here. I have a business on my channel. Just check it out. That will give you a guide on how to start it. So I won't take much time explaining how to start up headgear business. So guys, number 2 on my list, please permit me to be looking down because I have the list here, okay? So number 2 on my list is selling of bedsheet, making and selling of it. You mustn't be the one to be producing it. You can go to all this market, like I have Aba. I heard that people in Aba make this very cheap. So you can browse about it, make research about it, learn how to book in bulk, repackage and sell. This business is well long and is still selling. And number 3 on my list is selling or making of boxers and handkerchief. You see this? People are darling on this. You see these boxers? This small shorts that they do sell at times, they carry it in bulk. Big, I see it in my area. They carry it up and down in the market. You can stay at home, make order. You mustn't be the one selling all these things. Book it in bulk from those hair sellers. Buy this transparent nylon, package it, pair it, iron it. Hi God, why are people darling now? Package all these things and sell. You target, give it a name. Business don't start to. The next one on my list is resin art. Resin art and epoxy resin. See, why I am hammering on this is because it's a trending thing. This is season period, okay? What you should do is hop into resin art and epoxy resin. To start it up is not even costly. It's what you can do from the comfort of your home. Then create sales. So start off this resin art and epoxy resin. Do more research on it. I have a video on that already. So you can check out my videos. You can check out my previous videos on what I mean by resin art and epoxy resin. So next on my list is foodstuff sharing. What do I mean by foodstuff sharing? Once you know where to buy your foodstuff in cheap price, not the one you buy from those that already bought from wholesalers, make research where you can buy foodstuff very cheap. Create a WhatsApp group. Create a WhatsApp group where you will be adding people. You go online, announce to them that you are into foodstuff sharing. What you will do is, let me use crayfish as an example, or onion. Go to market, make research the amount they sell per painter. You understand? Then what you do on your own side is remove small amount from it, like 500, depending on what you got in that bag, in that big bag you bought. So once you get it, you understand, what you do is check how much it will be per head. Reduce the amount you sell, so there will be a difference between your price, your selling price, and the market selling price. You start selling to people online. Even people around you, tell them that you share, not that you sell like regular people in the market, but once you buy, you share it and sell out immediately. Have selling groups in fact in my area. I don't know the last time I went to the market. What I do is they'll come to the platform, tell us this will be available, we sell at this rate. I make my order and they deliver. Very simple. So you can start up your own food sharing business through your phone. It's allowed. The next of my list is beading and stoning production. See, once you know how to bead, turn that into a business. Even if you don't know how to bead, learn about it. I've said it before in my previous video Bidding is trending now. People bid on cars, bid on clothes. You see all these fine clothes, like simple clothes like this one I'm wearing now. They will bid it all too. Buy applique, just buy appliques, stones, flowers, bid on it and resell. You might not even be the one that sew the clothes. Just buy the product from wholesalers, beautify it more and take it up to the market. Next on my list is drop shipping. You know, we're hearing drop shipping, yes. But the question is, how do you start that? You can make research on how to start that. But there's another point I want to drop there. If you want to start up drop shipping business, let me say for example, jewelry shop. Maybe you want to start selling jewelries. What you do is go to that shop you want to start up with it. Go to the person, the owner. Tell the person, please, I want to sell this. Can I use your own business to start up my own side hustle or to start my own business? Talk with that person. Go to the shop. Do video. Tell people, assume that it's your shop. Place online adverts. Place online. Take it digital. So what you do is, if the person sells maybe this earring at 5,000, you can add 2,000 and sell. It's again, see what matters in life is how you sell. Nobody will ask you where you carry and come. I don't know if you get me. So you can start your own dropshipping business, even if it's clothes. This clothes, you can say, man, you have this in your shop. How much do you say? You say, okay, it's 10,000. Can tell the person, I'll be selling at 15,000. You post this online. People will be like, do you have this? Yes, how much? You tell them your price and you sell. So what you do is make sure you make your own shop visible by using that person's shop. You understand? Use that person's shop as your own shop. Post it online. Project as if it's your own shop. Then gather your customers. Sell. Go to that person, get the product and resell. It's very simple. So I have printing on caps and t-shirt production. I don't know if you have I don't know if you have seen some t-shirts. They customize something there. Maybe they wrote a business name, or they write a write-up on top of it, front and back. All those t-shirt production, you can start it up. Go to market, buy t-shirt if you cannot sew. I know people that are already into t-shirt making. If you want to start it up, you can buy materials in bulk and start sewing t-shirts. It's a business. Then if you want to make it to be more advanced, you start printing business. You print on it. It's really progressing now. It's trending. Even all these small business owners, they write their names. Like me, my own is Unique Creativity. I have many talks where I wrote my name there. I advertise my business by writing it on my clothes. Next on my list is groundnut and peanut business. I know we have been hearing about chin, groundnuts, peanuts, all those not shop. You can start it up. Make research on how to start it up. Do your own packaging. Take it online. See, I will say this, so whether I like it or not, be selling online. Why I always rewind and hit hard on this selling online is because it is what made me today. Online projected my business. So don't dwell on it. So we have drink business. What do I mean by drink business? Zobo drink, tiger nut drink, soy milk drink, smoothie. All this drink. You can start it up. I remember those days when I was in school. I was doing Zobo and soya milk, kunu. You can start it up. What matters is branding and packaging. You package it well, that when people see, they'll patronize you. So this is another business that is trending, that people start up with a low capital and you make sales. The next on my list is snack distribution. You see snacks, all this puff, egg roll, bread buns, where are they? Fish pie. Some of you are dwelling on this. So I have this friend, early in the morning, you see this woman in her ride. She said her husband don't want her to do anything. But what she does every morning is she sells early in the morning, she distributes to people. Before 11, 12, she don't go house rest. She have workers. What they do? Fish pie, egg roll, buns, puff, all this snack. She's distributing in school, churches, all this, what is it? See, what matters is what do you do? Are you doing it well? So start up with this. I know some of you know about it. I'll be like, is it not? Yes, you can start it. It's a business. You can start it even as a side hustle. Before 12 p.m., you are true. You can rest. Because it's mostly early morning business. Sorry. What some people do is they employ people. They stay in the comfort of their home, produce all these things, wrap it up, distribute to supermarkets, or even take it out, give it to workers. They'll sell for you, and you make your gain. The next business is breadfruit business. In my area, they call it okwa. Breadfruit. You can be someone that cooks and sell it. You can have a cousin of mine. What she does is only okwa, just okwa. Type just okwa. She's online, no. What she does is she buys, even if you want dried ones for your occasion, she will do it for you and ship. If you want it fresh, she did. If you want it to be cooked, breadfruit business, that one is blood money. People are looking down on that business. Just type just okwa. You will see her. Her business is booming and she's not dulling on that. So why not hop into that business? I have another one on my list and it's ready to wear fashion business. Why not start sewing ready to wear for those that know how to sew clothes? All these boo gown, some simple tops. There is this one I saw in the market. I was like, is this already made? Woman said, yes, that's the only thing she produced. She got together hand gown. She went to Aba, bought good materials. She cut it in different sizes, big or small, extra large. She carry them enter market, ready to wear. You are talking on this thing, no. It's not about renting a shop 1 million and you don't make sales. Someone can stay indoor and she don't even sleep at night. Reason is because she hopped into a trending business and she has a good connection to sell out. So guys, ready to wear business is selling. So you can try that out. So another one on my list is plantain chips and potato chips business. You see plantain chips, you see potato chips. It's one of those snacks I told you about. It is selling. What you do is buy plantain in bulk from distributors. So if you have hands, good. You cut and sell. Nothing is in potato chips. It's not oil. Your normal big frying pan. You fry it, wrap and sell. Even if you don't want to sell it, by yourself, you can look for hawkers, those small youths that don't have nothing to do in your area. Employ them. They will sell and they pay them. So guys, I noticed that this video was getting too long and I decided to cut it so it will have a part 2. So what we'll do is watch the complete video of this video on my channel. Thanks for staying on to this time. I love you all. Bye.